Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now welcome back to this JASMY update, and support and resistances are looking to be broken, especially resistance are actually broken. We previously had this whole pattern here, almost like a head and shoulder, with an expectation of a breakdown with a stop at 4470, but you never really came down to 4470, and instead you kept holding the support here and eventually moved back to the upside. So let's see what's happening now. The next move is probably going to be like as follows. So now you have a little bit of a rounded bottom, and I don't know if where do we get the curve? Just a second here. Circle. I think, yeah, this one right over here. So you have the curve that looks a little bit like that, and it also goes on to be something like almost something like that. Okay, so yeah, the curve is there, and this is almost like a rounded bottom here, and now you have your trend line that you're breaking above right over there as well. So you do have the probability of looking at JASMY to make this one small retest, and if you do make a successful retest, you're looking for the top here to the bottom right there, and you can actually have a move down to 5990, and then eventually you have this move to the upside all the way to 24%. Now if you make it down to 5512, I think that's going to be a negative statement, so you don't see this thing falling all the way down here, because you're going to get outside of that little bit of a saucer bottom or a rounded bottom that you have. You can see that you don't lose the curve itself, you don't start close underneath the curve like this. Now there are chances where you may do that as well, move sideways like this, and this is going to be your cup right there, and then this is going to be a handle, and then actually finally push up for that little bit of a hot steam right here. Okay, that's all for JASMY video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.